In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create voice AI agents in highlevel. So we're going to go to our settings in our sub account. We're going to go to voice AI agents and we're going to go to agent list. To use one, here's what you need to use. You need to select one. You'll get inside. You're going to customize the agent name, the business name. I strongly recommend this to be the location name. The variable is called location name. If you don't want it, you can put something else, but I strongly recommend that you put that. The language, let's make it English. You can use other languages, but by default, it's gonna be in English. Time zone, direction, right now we only have inbound call. And then you're gonna put here the initial agent message. In the voice, you can select multiple voices. I recommend this one called Bell. Now, if you want to test it, you can select the number to call from and enter the number to receive the call. Then in the advanced settings, you can put the maximum call time, okay? You can put the idle time and the reminder frequency. For example, 4 seconds, one time. Agent behavior response normal, moderate, fast. Sensitivity is how easily the AI can be interrupted during speech. LLM temperature, lower value, yields better function call results. In voice settings, you can put the voice speed, the voice temperature, the voice volume. It goes from 20 to 200 the voice volume. The temperature goes from 0 to 1. And the voice speed goes from 0.5 to 2x. The next step is the agent goals. Okay, so the most important thing here is going to be the prompt. I strongly recommend that you use this prompt I'm putting over here and you select your existing knowledge base, which I'm going to explain in a different video because this video is not about the knowledge base. But when to use the knowledge base, write what I'm writing here in this video, if the user asks any questions about the business, etc. In the prompt, we're gonna put first of all the call handling procedures, okay? The call handling procedures, so each step on how to handle the calls. Then we're gonna put some information about the caller info, if there is any code, etc. We're gonna be putting information about the call transfer, the call info, the agent background. Again, if you don't know anything about this, you can ask Claude to create you a prompt using the variables for high-level voice AI. You can actually ask Claude or ChatGPT for this. If there is any coupon codes, promotional offers, that should be in your prompt as well. Any objection handling, that should be included as well, the same as general instructions. Now, this prompt, for example, is designed for the dental niche. If you want a different niche, you can of course copy and paste the prompt and customize it using Claude or ChatGPT for a different niche. Now, let's select your actions. So during the call, first of all, you can put any call transfer if you want any phone number to transfer to. You cannot put custom values there, so it has to be a phone number. When should a call transfer take place? You need to explain or leave it here what to say before transferring the call. And if you want to hear the whisper message with the call summary. Then the appointment booking actions. I recommend that you select the sales calendar. If you have another one, that's absolutely fine. Days of offering dates, you can put how many number of consecutive days for the agent to suggest dates. Appointment slots per day. So the maximum number of dates the agent is gonna offer each day, and then the hours between slots. Now, which contact to update? So which contact field? I like to update, for example, the first name. What to update in the field? Only the first name of the caller, then the last name. If you want any other action, for example, call transfer, trigger workflow, send SMS, update contact field, or custom action, which is in beta, you can do that as well. For example, do you want to trigger a workflow when a call is completed? You have the option to do that, and then you can select which workflow. Finally, receive email notification, post-call completions. You can select all admin, all users, contact assigned users, specific users, or custom email. Finally, in phone unavailability, you would select which phone number. In this case, it is a test account, so I don't have any, but you would select the phone number. Then you can enable the AI agent as a backup to the phone number pool and set working hours for the agent. I do not recommend set working hours. If you set working hours, it's not gonna work 24/7. And the goal is that it works 24/7. In the dashboard call and logs, you're gonna see all the calls recorded. If you wanna learn more about how to automate your business, we have a community called the Automation School, where every single week, we do 2 calls per week. Every single week, we do 2 support calls a week about different topics on how to automate your business. And on top of that, we have 30 plus hours of automation courses, systems to scale, 5-minute webinar AI, how to make money with high level, the basics of high level, workflows A to C, SMS and email wizardry. And the best part is you can ask any questions and answers, and I'm gonna personally respond to your questions and answers. So there's a couple of ways you can join. You can click on the link in the description that says check out the Automation School, or you can also sign up under my affiliate link in the agency plan or in the pro plan, or you can upgrade either to agency or pro plan, and you're gonna get all these goods for free.